Hello and welcome to my channel. I will take you through how to SSH to a system when you are within and outside the network. I will be using Kali Linux for this. However, you can use any other Linux operating systems. So first, you're going to install the check config software package. I will show you later on when you need this. How fast it finishes installing depends on your internet speed and also how fast your computer is. We're done. So apt-get install, open SSH-server, enter. As you can see, mine already came installed. So now we're going to check config SSH. Sorry, spelling. So SSH is off. We fixed that using these two lines of commands. So you replace remove with defaults, enter. Check config SSH, it's on. So now we're going to check the status of the SSH server. If it's inactive, we fix it using this command. I can't really remember, but you can check it out. And it's not activate, it's start. Service SSH start. So status, it's up and running. I'm going to clear the screen. I am now navigating to an external hard disk that is connected to this computer. I'm doing this to show you it's the same files you will be seeing when we SSH from my Android device within and outside the network. So cd media, that's where the hard disk is located. Root and the name of your hard disk. My hard disk is named Primo Creators caps lock. Spelling Primo Creators single R. List of the files, and those are the files in my hard disk. So now let's switch over to the Android device. We will begin with SSH within the network. Root is the username and the private IP address you are seeing belongs to the computer on the left part of the screen. Don't forget to add the port number after the colon. Default SSH port number is 22. If everything was done correctly, you'll be prompted to input the user's password, which will give you access to the computer via SSH. Let's navigate to the hard disk for confirmation purposes. Media root, Primo Creators, caps lock, list. As you can see, these are the same files you saw previously on the computer. Also, it's on the left part of your screen. I am now going to switch off the phone's Wi-Fi connection so that we can use mobile data. This means that we are now outside our network. Also, I'm going to delete our previous connection to avoid any confusion. We next need to find out what is the public IP address of the router that is connected to the computer. You can find that out in this website. It will show you your public IP address and whether your port was forwarded correctly. 22 is the default port number for the SSH protocol. Note that different routers have different ways to port forward, so make sure you have figured out how to do that on your router first. Replace the private IP address with the public IP address the website gave you. Don't forget to add the port number after the colon. Once a connection is made, you will be prompted to type in the user's account password. If everything is done correctly, you will have access to the computer remotely via SSH. I will now navigate to my hard disk once again. cd/media/root/Primo Creators. And here you will notice that these are the same files we viewed earlier in 2 occasions. If you liked the video, don't hesitate to hit the like button. If you have any remarks or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment on the comment section below.